Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on the Linto Korean birthday mashup for Surya sir.
Yes, so we have already done one birthday special mashup of
Yes.
Surya sir, and this time this is Linto Korean. So we
Yes.
have gotten a lot of requests to do the particularly this Linto Korean mashup
Alright.
because we all know that he is very creative and he is very good at his work.
Yes, that's true.
Like while doing the mashups for birthday and everything.
Yes.
So that's why we thought why not to give the reaction. So here it is for you guys, and before that, if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe this channel and also
Yes.
please click on the notification bell.
Right.
तो चलो शुरू करते हैं सूर्या बर्थडे स्पेशल मैशअप बाय लिंटो कोरियन.
Okay.
சூர்யா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் படம் பார்த்த டான்ஸ் தெரியல, ஃபைட் தெரியல,
Young Surya.
நடக்க தெரியல, டைலாக் வசனம் பேச தெரியல, ஒரு க்ளோஸ்அப்ல சரியா சிரிக்க தெரியல. இவர் எப்படி நடிகர் ஆகிறாரு, டெஃபினெட்லி இவர் நல்ல நடிகர் ஆக மாட்டாருன்னு சொல்லி நிஜமா தான் நினைச்சேன். அந்த மாதிரி இருந்த ஒரு சூர்யா தன்னை தானே செதுக்கி கொண்டு
Not a lot on his physique.
डेडिकेशन.
எப்படி வந்தாருன்னு சொன்னா
That's true.
நந்தா, பிதாமகன், கஜினி,
Wow.
காக்க காக்க இதெல்லாம் அவர் செஞ்ச கேரக்டர் அவர் மட்டும் தான் செய்ய முடியும், யாராலும் செய்ய முடியாது. அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர்மேஷன், ஒரு எலிவேஷன்.
I really like the background music.
That Singham look.
சூர்யா பண்ற நிறைய விஷயங்களை யாருமே பண்ண முடியாது.
It was Surya really who persuaded me. I loved his work. Surya is a superlative actor.
ഏറ്റവും അധികം നിങ്ങളെ സ്നേഹിക്കുന്ന ആൾക്കാരാണ് ഞങ്ങൾ മലയാളികള്.
സൂര്യ തമിഴ് നടനല്ല, മലയാളികളുടെ നടൻ.
He's in between both of the legends.
Even in AP and Telangana, he's a very big star. You know, I'm a big fan of your dad.
Nani
What
sir.
I liked about Surya is his helping tendency. ஒருத்தர் படிக்க வைக்கிறதுன்றது எவ்வளவு ஒரு அருமையான விஷயம்.
ഞാൻ പരിചയപ്പെട്ടിട്ടുള്ളതിൽ ഏറ്റവും സിംപ്ലസ്റ്റ് ഹ്യൂമൻ ബീയിങ് സൂര്യാണ്.
அவங்கள பத்தி எவ்வளோ பேசினாலும் கம்மியா இருக்கும். ரொம்ப கம்மியான ஆண்கள் இப்படி இருக்காங்க.
ஒரு அழகான ஸ்மைல் ஒரு இருக்கும் பாருங்க, ஒரு சின்ன அழகான ஸ்மைல்.
Seriously, he's having a great smile face. Smiling face.
ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கேன்.
என்னப்பா ஹைட்டு?
அதாவது நம்ம அனுஷ்காக்கே வந்துட்டு அந்த அளவுக்கு இருந்துச்சு. இப்ப அமிதாப் பச்சன் எங்க போய் தோள போடுவாங்க எனக்கு ஒன்றும் புரியல.
அமிதாப் பச்சனுக்கு ஸ்டூல் போடுதா, அவர் ஏறி நின்று பேசணும்.
They are telling something about height. I think so. Something अमिताभ बच्चन स्टूल में खड़े होके dance also very good.
ஆனாலும் 5 நிமிஷம் பஞ்சு டைலாக் பேசிட்டு தான் ஆக்ஷன்ல இறங்குவேன்.
தளபதி விஜய் சார்.
போட்டு சொல்லிட்டு தான் பேச ஆரம்பிப்பான்.
Singham. He's Singham. That's true. That look.
నిన్ను నిదానమా ఎర్రయెత్తుకు కొరకాళ్ళుడా.
அவன் நடிச்சான் பாருங்க ஒரு நடிப்பு, கமலஹாசனே கலங்கி போயிருப்பாரு.
Wow.
I think this is a warrior kind of look.
Yeah.
Wow.
Very nice.
Wow.
Very nice.
That was super mashup by Linto
Yeah,
Korean.
that one can be named as Smiling Surya Sir Mashup because
Yes.
like maximum 90% of Surya sir's look was very smiling. Okay, that's what I like the most, and he's having a very childish kind of facial structure.
I think
Right?
he looks like one of the stylish star in Tamil
In
industry.
Tamil industry, I think so, because
Yes.
he's having a great facial structure. His eyes are very big and expressive. His face overall, his smile is very good.
Yeah.
Like it is
And I think everybody
very
was
appropriate
saying
for
that
any
also.
chocolatey boy kind of image or romantic hero.
No, don't tell like that. It's a Singham, you see.
सिंघम में तो
Singham
बहुत
is
ज़्यादा
different look only,
हाँ that is
altogether,
different
right?
look हाँ because that was like Gajani Singham that where are
Gajani is
these are
different.
very different kind of character and very
So with that face
versatility.
also, see, with that face also,
Yeah.
he is performing a different kind of
different
character.
kind of character. So he is
that
very
much of,
talented.
stamina he is having. Yes.
So yes, definitely Singham. I really like that mustache
beard,
wala look,
yes.
that beard wala look, and also Gajni. He's totally full on aggression
Right.
and angry kind of person in this movies. In this kind of movies, Gajni, then Singham,
I think
Cop
Gajni
Role.
was one of the super hit
Movies
for him, yes.
For him, yes, in this Tamil industry, and
Yes.
also we know that the same name copied in
Bollywood also.
Bollywood also in Amir
Yes.
Khan has performed that thing.
Right.
So yes, we really enjoyed this mashup.
Right.
It's
And in
10
this
on 10.
mashup also, everybody from Bollywood also, a lot of the actors were there from Bollywood. And also MS Dhoni sir, he was also
He was also
encouraging. He was-
encouraging.
Right.
He was also encouraging. Then Rajni sir was there. Then a lot big senior stars also are talking about him. So that is a very prestigious moment. And also one more thing which we could not like resist to tell, that one, he is a very charitable person.
Yes,
He
right.
is having some charitable organization also, and he does for
Exactly,
the poor
that is
people,
that is
right?
really good.
We
for
saw
the-
that thing.
Each and
That is
every
very good.
people who achieve some from the society, they
Correct.
should return to society as
Return
well.
to society, and that is very down to earth kind of nature, and
Yes.
we really liked it. That only shows that how beautiful personality he is having, and how like polite person he is, that he
Yes,
can
that's
understand the pain of some
Poor
poor
people,
people. He is
or
doing
some
something for
needy person, yes.
society, so that is a very big thing and deserves a
Yes.
clap.
Right.
Okay, and Linto Kurian has included that thing.
Right.
So that is very good thing. Even I think
And I
in the
think some of
previous
the hate
mashup
speech
also,
was also there,
hate
right?
speech also was there. We couldn't understand what was that, but I think related to height or something. Amitabh Bachchan ke sath
Comparison, they are doing something.
So let us know, like, what was that? The two girls were speaking something. It is a controversy, or why?
I think it
like
was
they were
some
telling-
controversy itself.
Maybe. So you can
That's why
let
I
us
think
know.
2-3 mashup we have seen, and everybody is putting that particular
That
scene.
particular scene, I think that has made a great impact on followers, and
Right.
Surya sir also as well.
Yes.
So we don't know about it. To be very frank, you can definitely let us know what is the full context of that. Why this two girls are speaking like that, or what was that? So yes, that was superb. We really enjoyed it. It's a 10 on 10.
Yes,
What do
of
you
course.
think? 10 on 10, right?
yes.
Surya sir, you are rocking star, and happy birthday in advance on 23rd.
of
Again, we will tell you happy birthday thing. So yes, that is it for today's video. Now this is the time to read the comments.
Yes.
So the first comment for today's video is from Abdul Rahman Kamil, and he is commenting on Surya's birthday special mashup 2020 tribute to Surya, and he is telling that he is one of the top actors in Asia, and
Yes,
that
it
is
can
very
be,
true.
yes.
That is very true. He is a famous actor. He is super talented. We already have seen his movie skills, his acting skills, his dancing skills, everything.
Yes.
So he is a superb actor. Okay, undoubtedly,
Right.
and we are extremely proud of him. Thank you so much for commenting and for watching our videos.
So the second comment for today is from Shankar Jayan, and he is writing, "Welcome back, guys. Keep going." Yes, thanks
you.
a lot for that. And
you so
also
much.
we are starting a new channel.
Yeah,
so I
we
think
have started.
you guys will support us very well.
Very well, and that is why we have decided to open this new channel, and also by the side we are struggling to get it recovered, our old channel.
Let's see.
So we are not able to post the videos on this channel, right? So that is very unfortunate, but please see videos in this channel only. Please subscribe this channel. as well. And yeah, you can spread the news also, like it is in the hands of subscribers. If some subscribers are there who doesn't follow the community posts, so there I think they might be thinking like, why Mr. and Mrs. Pandit are not posting videos. Might be they are not having the knowledge that we have already opened a new
Exactly.
channel.
A few of our subscribers, they told also why you are not posting
any videos. So that is why we are in each and every videos we cannot post this thing.
Yes.
That our channel are in danger now, and we are struggling to get it recovered, and by meanwhile we have started new channel. You can guys definitely support us by informing as much as you can.
Yes.
Correct. So yes, we are keep on going now also in this tough situation. And yeah, thank you for your support. Thank you so much. So third comment for today's video is from Satish SMS, and he is commenting, please react Vikram's Veda 2 fan-made trailer. If you like Talapati Vijay sir and Thala Ajit sir, then definitely you get the goosebumps at one point seeing this video. So please react this video. I'm waiting for the video reaction. Okay. He's also given the link. Yes. So definitely we'll be doing Satish. Definitely we'll be doing that.
And I think this is a fan-made trailer.
So we
lot
can
of
do that.
different mashup will be
mashups
there.
Will be there. So very soon you are going to see that, Satish. And thank you so much. Please subscribe this channel also as well. Yes. I know you are a constant subscriber of Mr. and Mrs. Pandit. You are always shows us love and support. Please subscribe this channel also 2.0. Definitely will be doing, and you can definitely get to see that. So thank you so much for everyone, whoever have commented, who are our subscribers who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting and keep watching our videos. And if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.